പ്രൊനൗൺസിയേഷൻ എങ്ങനെ ക്ലാരിറ്റി വരുത്തണം അല്ലെങ്കിൽ എങ്ങനെ കൂടുതൽ ഫ്ലുവൻ്റ് ആകാം അങ്ങനെയുള്ളവർക്ക് വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് ഈ വീഡിയോ. So what we are going to do is we are going to play a very fun game, tongue twisters. I will be reading out some tongue twisters and we have Sreekanth and Hiba with us and let's see how well they do it. Let's start. So, the tongue twisters njan vaikum and first Hiba parayum then Sreekanth parayum. Okay. So, the tongue twister is Betty bought some butter.
Betty bought some butter.
Great.
Can I see it? Betty bought some butter.
Great. Now the next one. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
Great.
Oh my god, now it's getting tougher. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Yeah, I got it.
You got it. Alright, the next one. She sells seashells by the seashore.
She sells seashells by the seashore.
She knew it, I guess. Yeah.
You guys are frozen. She sells seashells by the seashore.
That wasn't actually a tongue twister because he was reading it.
I mean, seashells, I couldn't do it.
Alright. Well, the next one is ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream.
Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream.
Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. That was easy.
That was easy, get this. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers.
Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers.
Yes.
Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers.
Great. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't very fussy, was he? My God.
Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy, was he?
Was he? I don't know.
Oh my god. Just give me a minute. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't very fuzzy, was he?
Great. That was fast. Last one, okay, guys? You know New York, you need New York. You know you need unique New York.
What's that? You know New York, you need New York. You know you need New York. Unique New York.
Yes.
Okay. You know New York, you need New York. You know you need unique New York.
Okay, so I think Hiba won the match. You know, she just nailed it.
Good job.
Yes, good job.
Yeah.
Now.
It was a pleasure losing to Hiba.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. So, these were a few tongue twisters that we tried. Tongue twisters എന്താണെന്ന് വെച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഇപ്പോൾ തന്നെ ടങ് ട്വിസ്റ്റ് ആയി പോയി. അതായത് ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് ലാംഗ്വേജുമായിട്ട് അക്ലാമറ്റൈസ്ഡ് ആവാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് നിങ്ങളുടെ ടങ്ങും നിങ്ങളുടെ വോക്കൽ സെറ്റിംഗ്സ് ഒക്കെ വോക്കൽ ഓർഗൻസ് ഒക്കെ അപ്പോൾ ഇതുപോലത്തെ ടങ് ട്വിസ്റ്റേഴ്സ് ഒക്കെ പറഞ്ഞ് പ്രാക്ടീസ് ചെയ്ത് പഠിച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് ഫ്ലുവൻസി കുറച്ചുകൂടി ഇമ്പ്രൂവ് ആവും. നമ്മുടെ കോഴ്സസിനെ കുറിച്ച് കൂടുതൽ അറിയാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് ഡിസ്ക്രിപ്ഷനിൽ ലിങ്ക് ഉണ്ട്. യു ക്യാൻ ക്ലിക്ക് ആൻഡ് ജോയിൻ us. Bye.
English House. English at your fingertips.